Welcome back to Origami Videos. It's almost Halloween, that's why today we'll be making an origami bat. We'll start with a square piece of paper and we will fold it in half in a diagonal. Next we'll fold it again in half. We will open it and we will fold this bottom point to this upper line. And press it down. We will unfold it again and fold this point to the line that we just made. Next, we're gonna fold this bottom point to the upper line and we will meet this line with this one here. So fold it to the new line that we just made. And press it down. Now we will fold our wings. We'll fold it here in the point where two parts meet. Here. And we will fold it that we will take this wing and fold it and align it with this upper line. We'll turn it around and fold it again on the line that we just made. And we will repeat this on the other side. So we'll fold it to this point, align it with the upper line, turn it around, and again fold it on the line that we just made. Turn it around. Next, we will bring this line that we just made to the middle so that we'll fold it in half. Press it down. And again on the other side, this line that we made to the middle. And press it down. If we turn it around, we have wings. Now we'll fold triangles from the bottom. So we'll take this corner and fold it to the middle. Really press it down firmly. And we will do the same on the other side. So this point to the middle line. And press it down. Now we will reverse fold it. It's the easiest way is if you take it, open it, press it down and up. The same here. You can just press it down. Make sure you stay on the same line. And now we have this point here. We'll just turn it around and bring our beginning of the wings a little bit in so that we'll fold it. That we will have a better line with wings. There is no right way to do it. You can play with it It's really up to you how you will fold it. And we'll do the same with the bottom part. Just take it half of centimeter in. Okay, now we will turn it around and we will start with forming the head or the ears of the bat. We will fold this point back, that we will have a straight line here. And now we have two options. You can take scissors and cut here and then just fold the triangles in that you have the ears, or you can turn it around and fold the diagonal line here. So from this point to the bottom point, press it down, and the same with here, from this point to this point when the paper, where the paper meets, and press it down. Next, we'll fold our bat in half. Really press it here. And now we're gonna try to bend this part back and pinch the ears. So that it's a little bit curved up here. Now let's start with folding the wings. We will fold it where the line of this point and this point meets. So imagine if there was a line, we'll fold it here. This point and this point. Now you open it and try to connect this bottom point with the point that we just made, so that it's here is a line, and fold it. You open it and again fold it on the first line. And now we'll bring this line here to the first line that we just made, and you will bring it in, press it down, and we will fold this line that we made out. It's like a zigzag folding. And we will bring our wing to the next line that we made. So we folded it on the line that we made and zigzag it out. And we'll bring it to the last line that we made. And once we open it, we have our first wing. We'll do the same step on the other side. So connecting this point with here, like there is line. And fold it, open it, and you will connect this point with this point. We made this bottom point by folding a little bit of our wing in. So this point and this point, press it down. Now we will bring this outside line to the first line that we made. And fold this line out. So it's folding it in and out and in and out. Bring it in to the line that we made in the first step, turn it out, and again bring it in just to press it down. And once we open it, we have our bat. Now that our bat is folded, we can just adjust the ears a little bit. And we have our bat. Happy Halloween to everyone and see you in next video.